Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who got accused of violating a restraining order. Criminal Attorney Dublin, violating restraining order Dublin, restraining order Dublin. Let's see here. One day I argued with and I hit my neighbor. That's a battery. I was served with a restraining order. This weekend I had beer at my home with friends and my neighbor came to the door because of the super loud music we had. We had another fight. The police arrived and I was arrested again. Now I have additional charges. Yeah. For instance, you hit your neighbor initially, that's a battery. Assuming he didn't suffer any great injuries, it still would be a battery under Penal Code Section 242 here in the state of California. That carries up to 6 months in the county jail. Now here's the deal. There's another charge you may not have thought about, but this is rare that the DA will go with this, but it happens. Let's say you're blasting music super loud and it's, in the middle of the night. Believe it or not, that is actually a violation of Penal Code Section 415 here in the state of California. That is a misdemeanor, disturbing the peace. If somebody can hear your music from more than 50 feet, that's it, more than 50 feet from your home, that is basis for you to be charged with disturbing the peace, which also carries up to 6 months in the county jail. Sounds ridiculous, but that's where we're going. Now, the other thing is, so apparently because of the battery case, you would have probably had a criminal restraining order against you, and now your neighbor comes and and there's another fight. Now, here's the deal. Your neighbor coming, he shouldn't be doing that because there's a restraining order in place. He could theoretically get in trouble because of it. The other thing, too, is, okay, let's say there was a fight. Were you just defending yourself, or are we talking about mutual combat? When you opened the door and realized who it was, did you just punch him? Because if he was hitting you, let's say he attacked you first and he was hitting you, and then maybe you hit him a couple of times just to keep him off of you, to stop him from hitting you, well, then that's self-defense, and you shouldn't be charged with a new crime. So in this situation, it's really going to help the witnesses. That's really going to help a lot. If there's any video of the incident, that would help tremendously too, because if you just open the door, neighbor comes and he starts attacking you, well, then you shouldn't be charged again with another battery, nor should you be charged with violating the restraining order. The only thing that the DA may get you on could be disturbing the peace. But in this situation, it's going to be necessary to go to court, enter pleas of not guilty, order all the evidence. The judge would have to give a new court date to come back and start discussing the matter with the DA's office, and we would have to look at all of the evidence to determine the level of credibility that the case may or may not have against you. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, call us, 1-800-862-7677. Criminal Attorney Dublin, Restraining Order Dublin, Assault Dublin.